The candle in the sun. You don't have to light the whole world. In a world full of greatness and glory, it's easy to feel small, like what you do doesn't matter, like your light is too dim compared to others. But sometimes it's not about how bright you are, it's about where you shine. This is the story of a little candle and the mighty sun. One quiet night, a small candle stood on a windowsill, flickering in the cool breeze. It looked up at the vast dark sky and whispered sadly, "I'm so tiny. My flame is so weak. I can only light a small corner of this room. What good am I when there's a whole world covered in darkness?" The stars twinkled, but they didn't reply. The candle sighed and closed its eyes, feeling useless, forgotten, and small. As dawn approached, a bright golden glow began to spread across the sky. It was the sun, rising in all its glory. The candle looked up in awe. "O great sun," said the candle, "you shine over mountains and seas. You bring light to the whole world. And look at me, my flame is nothing compared to yours. Why was I even made?" The sun smiled warmly and said, "Little one, I may light up the whole world, but when night comes and I'm gone, it's your small flame that keeps the darkness away." The candle was surprised. The sun continued, "You don't have to light the whole world, my friend. Just light up the darkness that's near you. Even the smallest flame can bring comfort, warmth, and hope." The candle thought for a moment and began to smile. It realized that even though its light was small, it made a difference. To the child studying late, to the mother whispering bedtime stories, to the lonely soul sitting by the window. Its light mattered, right where it was. Days passed, and the candle began to shine proudly. It didn't envy the sun anymore. It learned that greatness isn't about how much light you give, but how much love you share. And as it burned, it lit other candles. One by one, the room began to glow brighter and brighter. Each little flame carried the same message. You don't have to be the sun to shine. That's how change begins. Not with one giant light, but with many small ones, each doing their part, each making the world a little brighter. You might not light up the whole world, but your kindness, your compassion, your words, your actions, they can light someone's darkness today. So, if you ever feel small or unimportant, remember the candle and the sun. You don't have to light the whole world. Just start by lighting the space around you. Because every light, no matter how small, helps chase away the darkness. Moral: you don't need to change the entire world. Just make a difference where you are. Even a small light can brighten the darkest place.